as you can see, the profits we've made so far. And the last video I uploaded here, I told you guys that I'll be showing you guys the 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 strategy. Okay, after doing your price action analysis, after applying your support and resistance, just identifying those zones on your charts, on your main chart, then make the next thing to do is for you to apply the strategy. Okay, so for those that did not watch the previous video, the last video I just uploaded, I'll also explain everything here, how to catch spikes as a pro. Trust me, this is almost 100%. This has almost 100% win rate. Do you understand? The accuracy is like 100%, no loss at all. Because if you cannot catch spikes, if you try to catch spikes, 10 spikes in a day on boom and crash, and you lose two or three, at least the race, there's no how you not win others. Do you understand? So this is what I've been doing when I'm not giving signal. I'm not just feel like doing more of price action analysis. I just sit here and use this strategy to milk the market. Okay, so before I start showing you guys everything you need to know about the strategy, I would like you guys to hit the subscribe button, um, like this video, leave a sweet comment, okay, share this video, and also check the description area to join our free Telegram channel. Okay, you also can chat me up for accounts management, for VIP signals, for mentorship. Okay, I'm always there. Okay, I'm always there. So that's it, guys. Yeah. For this strategy, first of all, when you open the chart, please, it's very important. When you open the chart, I think I started this first. Okay, I started this first. Everybody was just about giving strategy without explaining how to actually catch the spikes. So I think I started revealing the truth, and I will not stop revealing the truth. Okay, so if you want to know how to trade, how to make it in this market, you need to follow, you need to subscribe to my channel. Okay, because I share the truth, like I show you guys the exact truth, the top secret in the market. No other strategy provider has ever done that. Okay, so yeah, subscribe and let's roll. Now you can see here, um when you open the chart, the first thing you need to do before I add the strategy is the indicator strategy is very simple. You first of all move to your 30 minutes time frame, or maybe your 15 minutes time frame. I think 30 is cool. Okay. And don't always rush to make money. Always be careful with your equity, your capital. Do you understand? Your capital is very important. So when trading, don't rush to make money. Don't rush to catch spikes. Wait to catch the best spike. If you spike before the level you picked on your chart, then let it go. That wasn't yours. Then if it comes to that level, you trade and be careful. You manage your risk, because there's something I realized when catching spikes. When you are catching spikes, if you open big lot size, when it's going against you, you'll be expecting spike for you to close. At least let it spike for to a certain level for you to close. You might not close it till you blow your accounts. But when you use a little lot size, you use small lot size, when it's going against you, you can easily give up and close the trade. Do you understand? So because this spike of a thing looks like, some people feels spike, once you enter, spike can come and recover everything. It might keep on doing this tick, this little tick you're seeing here, these dots you're seeing here, down for like 2 hours without spiking. It happens, especially when you're trading crash 1000. It happens. It might do like this. It can continue doing like this for a long time. Okay, so when catching spikes, use small lot size, please. I'll advise you, because you can catch 10 spikes in a day and you make so much profit. Use small lot size, and also make sure that you have your daily target. You must have your daily target. It's very important. Okay, so yeah, you move to 30 minutes time frame. Now let me show you before we move to 30 minutes time. You can see this zone here. Oh, I've shifted that zone. You can see this zone here. This is where it was. Now, if I move down to 1 minute time frame, you see what the zone did some time ago, some few minutes or hour ago. Okay, you can see here we have that zone here, and there was a spike at this level. Okay, you can see there was a spike at this level here. So if I move down again to where we have this the level, you see that price has been spiking around that level for some time now. Okay, see this is another level we picked. You can see the spike there around that level, and again you can see at the minute you open at this level, it will be just like 5 dots, then a long spike. You see the massive spike that happened there. Then almost the same thing here. You buy at this level again, you spike. Do you understand? So whenever you see it was almost at this level, there was a spike. So whenever price gets to that level, you can see this. So this is accurate, like almost 100% accuracy. Do you understand? You can see the spike that happened here. And when it touches this line, the spike comes like it's a very long, deep spike. Do you understand? You see here. So whenever price gets to that level, most times it spikes. You can see another one here. So that shows you um how reliable this strategy is. Okay, see another one here. You see the spike just touched this line and the spike. Do you understand? So see here, just touch this line, there was a spike. So this is the strategy I'm about to show you guys how to catch spikes. So again, as well, check my previous videos on how to catch spikes on boom and crash. Okay, because I love catching spikes because you can lose like you can see minus $100, and in 2 minutes time you can get two spikes and you recover the loss and also be in good profit. Do you understand? So that's why I love catching spikes. Okay, you can see spikes happens wherever it touches this line. So let me quickly show you guys how to catch the spike. So you move down to 30 minutes time frame, move down to 30 minutes time frame, and you look at it. When you look at it, you realize that there are some levels on your chart. Okay, there are some levels on your chart. You can see this place here. You can see here, this is a level on your chart. This is as well a level on your chart. Do you understand? Okay, so now if you're buying at this level and it doesn't spike, it definitely gonna spike at this level here. Do you understand? So if you move down again, you can see some other levels here. You can see another level here. When price get to this level, it's definitely going to spike. It will spike at this level. Okay, yeah. You move back again. You see there's another level here. There's another level here. There's a level here. Yeah, there's there's a level here, and there's another level here. Whenever price gets to that level, it will spike. So what you need to do is to bring your zone here. You bring another one here. You bring your horizontal line there. You place them there. And if you go back again, you see there are some levels, so many levels on your charts. You identify those levels properly, like how it should be identified. Okay, you identify those levels. Okay, you identify those levels. You can see here again as well. Okay, let's not go that far. You can see here again, there's a level here. So these are zones on your chart. When price get to that zone, they will react. It's either they're going to pause for a while or they will reverse at that level. So those are zones. Whenever price gets to that area, like this area here, sorry. Oh, okay. Like this area here, you can see what happened here. Uh, there was a spike around this level, and this place was reversed, price reversed at this level to the upside, returned back again to this level. There was a long spike and price pushed back to the upside, and around this level here, I don't know if I move down to lower time frame, I don't know if I'll be able to see if there was a spike around this level, but I'm certain that there was a little spike here, and there was a pause around this level here before there was a breakout to the downside. And you can see when price went push up again to this level again, it respected this level and you know, push down. Okay, so I'll also show you guys how to scalp with this strategy here. I'll also show you guys how to scalp with this strategy. So you can actually buy and scalp with this strategy, but I'll show you how to actually do that using your indicator strategy. You combine your indicator strategy with this price action strategy. This is price action. Okay, so you see when price get to that levels like that, you confirm with your strategy, indicator strategy, and it tells you, yeah, that's the level price gonna spike, and it will definitely spike. Okay, so now you can see here, right here, we have price at this zone that I just identified now. So what we need to do now is we need to bring our strategy, indicator strategy, to confirm that price has gotten to that level. Price has gotten to that level. And take note, when price gets to this level and it spikes the first time and probably the second time, what you need to do next is for it to, you need to avoid buying at that level again, because if price comes back to that level like 2 or 3 times, it's definitely gonna break that level, because it has been testing and it has been hitting that level for some time, and it might break that level and start going down. So when it gets, see price get to that level, two or of 1 or 2 times, I think it shouldn't go again the third time, unless price goes up and then come back again. That's when you can buy. But when price is around that level, hits the first time, the second time, and the third time, you just need to stay away, because it's definitely gonna break that level. Do you understand? Yeah. So now what we need to do now is for us to move down to 1 minute time frame. You see, we have the price at this level we just identified here. Okay. So let's see if that level is strong enough, and also let's have the confirmation on uh, our indicator. Okay. If our indicator tells us to buy, and we definitely gonna buy, we will buy at that level. Okay. This is 1 minute time frame. So let's bring our indicator up. Okay, price is almost at that level. Yeah, price is almost at our indicator level, the level 10. Okay, I would love to see price touch this level 10 for me to buy. When I see price touch this level 10, the red indicator here, the RSI, to touch this level here, you can see we have the MA at this level. On also, we also have the Ichimoku at this level here. So the only thing that has not touched that line is the RSI, which is our last confirmation. So you must always wait for the RSI to touch that line for you to buy. So I'm actually waiting for the RSI to touch this line, then I'll buy. In just like 3, 4, 5, 10, maybe probably 5 minutes, it will touch that line for a buy. Okay. So like I said, you don't rush to make money. You rush to save your account. You save your accounts. You pick, you filter, you set up your signals. Okay. You don't take all the signals. You must wait for all conditions to be made before you make a decision. You must make sure that all conditions are, you make sure that everything I said now, you must touch this line and this line. You must wait for it to touch that line for you to make these decisions, for you to be certain, okay, I you've done it right, and maybe market just decided to mess you up, and that's it. Okay, so now I'm actually waiting for price to touch this level 10 for me to buy, and if it doesn't spike at level 10, it definitely gonna spike at level 5. Now if I'm planning to buy with 2 lot size, I'll open maybe 0.5 or 1 lot size at level 10. Then if it doesn't spike, I'll open another 1 lot size at level 5. So that as it's spiking, it comes up here and reach the level 10 position and close in good profit. Do you understand? And some people want to catch like 100 spikes before they jump out of the market. I think if you catch 1 or 2 spikes, you're good. Now, if it spikes at this level here, then you see this MA on the main charts below the current price. I think you can still hold for 1 more spike or 2. Okay. But if the trend is downtrend, you avoid, just take your profit and walk away. But if the trend is an uptrend, you need to stay a bit and see what's gonna happen. Okay. And please don't always allow you to come back and take your profit. It's either you move your SL here if you know your grade is so you have so much grit. I think you should move your SL above your entry and hold. If it comes back, then you hit your SL and close. Do you understand? So that's how to trade. Let's quickly check C500. Oh, no, sorry, C1000. Okay, you see price ads. You see the RSI just touched the level 90, and there was a spike. There was a spike at this level 90. So that's what I'm saying. You wait for the RSI, the rate indicator, to touch this level, those levels, for you to make your decision. Okay, so now let's quickly check this level here, if that was a level on the chart, a key level on your chart, on our chart, on the 30 minutes time frame. Amazing. You see what I just told you now? You can see here, there was this is a zone. You can see price has reversed at this level. There was a reversal around this level and maybe this level. And we move back again. You see what I'm telling you. You can see price reverse at this level. You can see price push up at this level. So this is a key level. This is a strong level on your chart. You can see again here, price reverse at this level and at this level, spiked at this level and at this level. Do you understand? So now, and we have another confirmation. Yeah, on the another confirmation, the strategy indicator confirmation that price has gotten to the overbought area, and that's why we open. You just open a position around this level. Once it's very close to that area, you open a position and it's gonna spike. That's simple. So let me quickly check the B1000 again. Okay, it's almost at that level, so we're gonna open a position now. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I just opened two position at that level. Let's see what's gonna happen. So that's how to catch spikes. Then let's quickly check another pair, maybe 500. So now, once you need to understand is that B500 doesn't move like C500 or B1000. Sorry, B500 doesn't move like B1000. You can see here, it's very hard for B500 to touch this line here. This our the RSI to touch this level 10. Okay, that's because it has short spikes and it doesn't move really, it doesn't go far. Okay, and if it's going far, it's about to mess you up. Trust me. So now, what am I saying here? What you need to do when you see something like that is for when you're trading B500 and uh, and C500. What you need to do is for you to come here. Okay, let's quickly show you the settings so that you know what to do. The setting here for this indicator is we have the confirmation in case you want to catch more than one spike on the main chart. We have the MA 100, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, and the pixel, you can see to pixel, any color of your choice. Then you click on done. Okay, now you go back again. We have the RSI. I love using RSI because it does not lag. It goes down to show you where the price is actually going. Okay, so you apply RSI. The period is 16. Okay, so when you're trading crash, when you're trading B500 or C500, you need to reduce it to 14. But when you're trading B1000 or C1000, you drop it at 16. Okay, the period should be 16 or even 18. Then apply to close, pixel and apply to close, pixel to pixel, any color. Then the levels here should be, you have 90, we have 10, we have 95, and we have 5. The zero you are seeing here is not important. Okay, the zero you are seeing there is not important. Then the pixels should be 2 or 3. Then the color here should be black, so it will be visible. You'll be able to see it on the chart. Okay, click on done. Then you go back again. There's the red indicator you have here. So we go back again, moving average, MA. We have MA 100 as well on the indicator window 1. Under the indicator window 1, we have the period 100, shift is 0, exponential, method is exponential, apply to close. Then the pixel should be 2 pixel, any color, and there are no levels. Okay, you click on done. You go back again. You go back again. You bring Ichimoku as our confirmation again. The taken sen is 1, Kijun sen is 2, sequence span B is 55. Then here you don't click anything, just leave that place open, empty. Then Tenkan Sen is 4 pixel, others are 1 pixel. And if you're using white background, then the one that has 4 pixel here should be black. But if you're using black background, your MT5 is black background. Then the this one under 4 pixel, the Tenkan Sen should color should be white. Okay, so other colors should be exactly as your MT5 background. Okay, you click on done. Now this is the B1000 we just open to position. Now let's see what can happen when the price gets to this level here, this level 5 here. Okay, so when it gets to level 5 here, open two more positions. Okay, so that's it. Now I know it's gonna take our time, and I didn't want my video to be very long. I don't know if I should maybe close and yeah, maybe once the spike happens, I'll show you guys and end the video like that. Maybe I'll pause the video and show you guys when it's gonna spike. Whoa, so you can see it just spiked. That's how to trade this strategy. We make you make your profits and walk away. Very important, very simple, very simple. This is what I've been doing. This is how I've been catching the spike. Do you understand? This is how I've been catching the spike. You can see now we are in good profits, so you can close now. And another thing you need to know is when you have a spike like this, okay, because sometimes we have double spikes. Now let me show you what I mean by double spikes. The spike comes the first and the second one. Okay, like in under 2 minutes you have two spikes. In 2 minutes time you have two spikes. Let me show you what I mean. Maybe something like this. The first spike happens as this immediately this one closes, another spike. You get another spike. Do you understand? And or sometimes after one or two dots you have another spike. Do you understand? Okay, here something like this. After the first spike and you have red candle here, or maybe one after 2 minutes, maybe the third minute the spike happens again. So sometimes when it spikes, you need to wait for it to do like one or two candles to see if it's gonna spike again before you close. If it doesn't do and you don't feel comfortable holding, you can as well close. Do you understand? So let me amazing. This is what I'm saying. You see, in 3 minutes time, you see the spike we have, the long spike we have here. We have the first spike, we have the second spike, and the third spike. Do you understand? In just in 3 minutes time, we have the first, the second, and the third spike. So I'm experienced, and when I tell you do it this way, trust me, bro, you need to do it just exactly how I told you. Okay, so this stuff works perfectly. It works perfectly. It works perfectly. So that's how to make money when catching spikes. You can see this. Nobody has ever shown people this, show you guys the secret on how to catch spikes, but I've been doing that. So when you see price for boom, you see price at level 10 or level 5, you buy. Okay. Remember at level 10, maybe you open the first spike, you open the first position, and at level 5, you open the second position. Then for crash, for crash, for crash, for crash, you open the first position at this level. When you have your confirmation here, you open the first position here and the second position, the first position at level 90 and the second position at level 95. And also there are some confirmation you need to know too. Even as you sell at the first level and you did not respect that level, and you wait for price to push up to the next, the nearest level, which is maybe this level here, like this, then you sell again. That's why I'm telling you, you need to use small lot size so that you'll be able to manage your risk very well. Small lot size so that you'll be able to manage your risk very well. And you'll be able to close when you're supposed to close. You won't be afraid of holding, because when you open big lot size, when you see so much profits, you have big drawdown, you'll be afraid to close. You'll be afraid to close. So I think this video is long enough, and yeah, the video is long enough. So I think I should close this, and that's all, guys. Don't forget to join my free Telegram channel. If you really love this video here with Cash Spike and you see it live, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe, leave sweet comments, join the free Telegram channel. Meet me for mentorship. We do price action as well. We can see we have a trade running right now, step index running right now. I opened the first position around this level here some days ago because there's something I've noticed. It has stepping days has gotten to the list to the low, okay, to its all-time low, and it's about to move, and not even happy because I didn't catch it at this level. So this stepping days, you can see I'm not using any stop loss because I know it's buying for a long time. It's gonna buy for a long time, for days. Let me show you where it's actually going. Stepping days is actually going somewhere here, somewhere here, somewhere here. Do you understand? So that's why somewhere here. That's why I'm still holding, because I know it definitely gonna push. Stepping days is a very sweet pair, and that's how it has been moving. It's going to get to somewhere there. Okay, so that'll be all for now. Thanks, guys.